You are going to love 2006 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. The Land Cruiser's power comes exclusively from a 5.7-liter V8 that churns out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, third row seat, four-wheel drive, CD changer, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.